Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, so happy Friday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today I am giving you two DIYs. The two DIYs that I will be showing you today are two inexpensive DIYs that you can use for any type of occasion, weddings, you can give for birthday gifts, whatever you want to give them for, that's totally up to you. But I'm going to show you two inexpensive DIYs. And the first DIY I have that I will be showing you today, the inexpensive DIYs, and first of all, if you want to make this, then you will need this beautiful dish. This dish right here can be purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it's a star-shaped dish, as you see. You will also need a candle, and this candle here came from Pier 1, and you can purchase these from Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere that sells these beautiful candles. And the scent, this is a scented candle, and it's Glacier Mint. So you can get scented candles or unscented. It's completely up to you, but this is a scented one. Okay. You will also need these beautiful marbles, as you see right here. And the color that I have is like a beautiful bluish turquoise type color, but you can get any color, and you can purchase these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what you do next is to take your dish and just place your candle directly in the middle of your dish, and take your marbles and just place them in the little spaces here around your dish, just like I'm doing right here. And you can put how many marbles you like. That's totally up to you. Just make sure that each one of these little spaces have some marbles in them. Okay. And you can get how many bags of marbles you want. This one here needs some extra, so you can just take some out of the other areas to put them in if you need to. Oh, and I have one left, so I'm going to put that one here. So as you see, this is how it looks. I have my beautiful dish, my candle, and I have the marbles on the inside of each of these little like angles. And this DIY can be used as a wedding centerpiece. Graduations are coming up. People are doing graduations. So you can use this for a graduation centerpiece. You can also give this for a gift, maybe a birthday gift or something like that for someone who loves candles. This right here will also be great as a hostess gift. If you're going, someone may have invited you to dinner or brunch at their home and you wanted to take them a gift, you can also take this as a beautiful gift. You can just wrap it up and like the xylophone paper and put a beautiful bow at the top, which I didn't do with this one. Or you can place this in a beautiful bag. Okay, and that's the first one. So now I'm about to show you the second DIY. Okay, so here I am with the second inexpensive DIY. So what you would need for this DIY is some candles. And as you see, I have this 10-pack of glass votives, which are candles, and they're scented. And this is in one of my hauls in my video that I did before. I had a Home Goods haul, and I purchased this from Home Goods, and there were 10 candles in here, a set of 10, and I only paid $5.99. But you can get these candles anywhere. You can get them at the Dollar Tree or anywhere candles are sold. And I think Dollar Tree have the little smaller ones like this, but I thought this was a pretty good purchase because 10 came in here for $5.99, so I paid like what, maybe 30 cents a candle. So you would need that. But what you would need is this base, and you can have one with the glass in it like I do. or you can have any type one, that's fine, but I thought the one with the glass in it would be better. And you will also need some beautiful shells. And my family and I, when we went to Florida, we went on the beach and we were able to pick up these shells on the beach. So this was free, so we didn't have to pay anything for this. I know they also sell shells at the Dollar Tree. So you can either go to Dollar Tree and get shells, or if you are able or going to the beach, you can go out on the beach and pick some shells. But what I'm going to make is a beautiful centerpiece that can be used for maybe a wedding. It can be like a beach wedding theme, or just like an outdoor wedding theme. And I can use this out on my patio once we get our patio set up, and I can use this on the table. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. And right here I have 3 candles that I will be using. So I will be placing each one, as you see, directly on top of the mirror. And I kind of spaced them out a little bit, kind of evenly. And I'm going to take these seashells and just kind of place them around my candles. And I'm going to do them face up. I think it looks better that way. And you can put how many shells you want. That's totally up to you. I think I'm going to use the smaller ones. Okay, so just keep adding how many shells you want. Okay, everyone, so this is how it looks once you put your shells in your centerpiece. As you put your candles in first. Well, I put my candles in first, and then I added my seashells around the candles. As you see, I still have a lot of shells left. I could have added all of the shells if I wanted to, so that's totally up to you how many shells you want to add, but I did not. And also, if you want to add shells around your little base here, and see, this is a beautiful seashell that we picked up on the beach. I thought this was so pretty. But you can just add like little seashells around your base here. This is another beautiful one. I just had to show that. Hope you can see that. Okay. And you can just keep adding them around. And you can space them out. And like I said, this would be so beautiful at a wedding, especially like a beach theme wedding. Okay. Now that's how it would look if you added seashells around the base. Okay, so this is my 2 inexpensive DIYs that I had to show you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a great Friday. Be blessed, and I will see you on Sunday. I upload videos every Friday and Sundays. So I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy your day. Bye. Okay, everyone, so I wanted to show you how it looks at nighttime. So this is the way it looks at night. And like I said, I'm going to add this to my patio set.